you've been part of Bhag Milka Bhag as well, which you see out here as well, and now this is. So could you give us your version? What exactly how you've sung this?
No, it's just one version. It's both of us on the same song, and
I'm sure that you have like a very rock inspired voice and so I'm sure that you must have done something different.
to the song. Yeah, we'll sing it together. And yeah, it was basically what Hitesh sir told me was that it needs to have that rustic feel in it. The way you deliver the voice, it can't have any vibratos, it can't have any of the modern R&B chops. It has to be as rustic, as pure, as real as it can get, because it's a story of a boy from the rural areas of India, and it's a very inspiring story as well.
All right, so are there more songs in the album as well?
There are more songs. The album was already done. As I said, I was not part of the whole process of this film. I was called upon to create this one song, special song for the film.
Right.
So I was very lucky that they thought of me to do this. I had done one song for Majhi. So the same team approached me again that we have another film which is similar. It is real in its essence, and we just need one song to push it in other ways.
Right.
So वो गाने भी मैंने सुने, बहुत अच्छे हैं फिल्म में गाने. But so then there was this challenge कि मैं अब मैं क्या करूँगा, ऑलरेडी इतने अच्छे गाने हैं. तो वो एक स्ट्रगल थी. थोड़ा सोचा, एक उस बात को पकड़ा कि स्टोरी ऑफ अ टीचर एंड अ स्टूडेंट, और ऐसे करते करते बना. सिद्धार्थ माइंड में इसलिए था कि सिद्धार्थ के साथ पहले 2-3 बार मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया. तो एज अ कंपोज़र जो सिंगर के साथ जो वर्क करने का जो सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है वो बहुत रेयर आपको सिंगर्स से मिलता है. आपकी एनर्जी इतनी चली जाती है कई बार एक छोटी छोटी चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन करने में कि वो प्रोसेस फिर मज़ा नहीं आता. सिद्धार्थ के साथ बहुत मज़ा आता है. सिद्धार्थ इज सो ट्यून्ड इनटू, उसको समझ में आता है कि यहाँ पे अगर ये सही नहीं लग रहा तो क्या करना है. आपको सोच के he composes himself, he programs himself, so he understands technicalities of recording, he understands films, he understands the moods, and understand के साथ साथ he delivers. So he knows कि अच्छा ये change करना है तो क्या करना है. मतलब he doesn't go into that dark zone where you are all lost कि आप क्या करें. So Siddharth has answers. And so that process, no, really. I mean, thanks to his experience, बचपन से ही देखते आ रहा है, तो I'm sure, but बहुत लोग बचपन से देख के भी आंखें बंद रहती हैं उनकी. तो सिद्धार्थ ने वो सारा कुछ अंदर पी लिया है. तो वो प्रोसेस जो है वो इतना मज़ेदार है कि मैं जब भी कोई मौका मिलता है, मतलब ये गाना तो और सोच के बनाया था, बट हमने कितने गाने साथ में कोशिश की है कि एक बार सिद्धार्थ को बुलाता हूँ तो कुछ गाने का एक नया एंगल शायद मुझे मिले. तो ऐसे हुआ है. और अरहान, एज आई टोल्ड यू, वाज एन एक्सीडेंट.
Good accident. So thank you very much, Hitesh Sonik. Lovely talking to you. Thank you, Siddharth, and thank you very much, Aran, and all the best wishes to all of you. And we hope that the song is a huge success. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.